it's me, Kyra, and today I'll be doing a role play called The Girl Who Didn't Know What Fidget Toys Are. And I'll be having someone joining to me today, and it's Elsa! So let's get started. What a lovely, beautiful day. Time to go get some breakfast. What shall I have for breakfast? What should I have? I think I'm gonna have some waffles and milk. So let me get my waffles and milk. Okay, let me go down and sit for breakfast. I love milk, and especially it's dairy. And my waffles with butter. Okay, time to go brush my teeth now. Okay, let me get in the bathroom and brush my teeth. Okay, I'm done. Now I have to go to school, I guess. Okay, now I'm gonna go. Okay, let me get my bike out. Okay, time to go to school. Okay, I'm here. Let me go inside my classroom. Oh, hi, Elsa.
Did you see the new update on Amazon?
Yeah, I did.
Okay. Can I come to your house?
Yeah, sure, but first let's go to music class.
Okay.
Good job. That's so good. Well, it's the end of school.
Okay.
Let's go to my house. Come on.
Okay. Before we go play Roblox, can I look at your fidget?
I don't know where they are. We can just play some Roblox.
Hey Kyra, I really want...
But I lost them.
Oh, okay.
Let's look later.
Hey Kyra, I really want to see your fidget.
The thing is, I actually don't have fidgets.
Well, that's okay. Let's just play some. Well, that's okay. Let's just buy some.
Okay. Let me get my phone out.
Okay.
Okay, this is Amazon. And I guess I ordered the fidgets. It should be here.
Okay. I'm going to go to the loo.
Oh, okay, bye.
Bye. Ding dong.
Oh, someone's here. Oh, hi, come in.
Did you order a box of Amazon fidgets?
Oh, yep, sure did.
Here you go.
Thanks, bye.
Bye.
One.
Hey, Kyra, I'm back from the loo. What did I miss?
I got the fidget toys.
Oh my god, come up to my room so we can open them.
Sure.
Wait, do you want to do a YouTube video about it?
Sure, that'd be so cool. Okay, get the camera ready.
Okay, BRB.
And then I'll be like, hey guys, and here's my new fidgets. Okay, get the camera.
I've got it here. Where are you?
I'm in the kitchen.
I'm over here.
Okay,
Upstairs.
get ready.
Okay.
Okay, tell me when we start.
Okay. And then we'll switch cameras sometimes, okay?
Okay.
Okay, we're like 3, 2, 1.
Hey guys, it's me, Kyra, and I got some fidget toys.
And Elsa's here today.
gonna finish opening them in a sec.
Yeah. So guys, the first fidget we have in this Amazon package is this star puppet and this unicorn. Do your puppet sound first. Let's get the good side. That's so good. Let me try mine. Good puppet.
Yep, so that's the end of our video. Bye! That was a good start, wasn't it, Elsa?
Yeah, I love my little puppet. It's so fun to play with, but I hate the bad side.
Yeah. Wanna look at the fidget toys again?
Yeah, sure. Okay. I'm gonna get some more fidgets. What else do I have in here?
Ooh, more fidgets. Whoa!
More fidgets.
Yeah! And that's the end of our video. Make sure you hit that like button, turn those notifications, and subscribe. Bye!